If you are born in the foreign period, your zodiac is a Rooster, and last year, 2023, which is not a really smooth year to you, you will feel that. And 2024, this year is much better. You know why? Because last year, you're offending the Tai Shui, but this year, the Tai Shui is helping you a lot. And together, this year, you have a 3 lucky start. So you make your overall luck to be much better and more money, fortune, energy. Okay, the first lucky star for you is a Yu Duck. This star will make you have a lot of good friendship, good people surrounding you. Anytime you in need, your friend will show up and help you out. And then the next one is a Day Guy. That one is a good for solution. Let's say you have like a long-term conflict, even a lawsuit, you want to solve it. 2024 is a good timing to do that. Okay, the last thing is a Tong Fu. That one is good for you to enhance your reputation, to make you have a more like a money fortune, so that will be good. And this year you have a 4 unlucky star. The first one is a Seifu. That one is not really good for health, but don't worry, this is just a minor issue. And then the second one is a Xiuhou. That one will make you lose a little bit money, so this year will be a little bit complicated. Most likely your money fortune is really, really good, but just sometimes there's some damaging energy to you, so you need to prepare for that one. And the last 2 one is not really good for love. Let me clarify that things. That 2 star, Hanqi and Tofa, are good for you to have some enjoyment, but the love is not the real one, so you need to prepare for that one. And March, August and September are not really good months for you. So anything important, do not schedule in these 3 months. April, May and January next year will be much better. So anything important, you can schedule in these 3 months to do that. For more detail, you can go to my website to download the free Feng Shui guide. Just search my name, Master Alexi, you'll find it. And thanks for watching. Good luck.